This is the moment to demonstrate the real color of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as well as some of its most crucial features, like as the inner display's modern layout and the cover display. I also have the genuine Fold 5 from all angles, which is the most current model. The new Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the result of a few years' worth of research and development. Let's examine the modifications that have been made and how they will impact the Galaxy Z Fold 5 user experience. The bezels on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 are smaller due to a new hinge design, which makes sense to get a slightly better cover display but not any wider. The cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a bit higher rate than before, as before we were expecting a little wider cover display, but interestingly it's not going to happen. As you can see in the picture, the Z Fold 5 cover display will have the same 6.2-inch size as the Z Fold 4 cover display, but Samsung will employ the newer, better, and more robust Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Dummy images are quite cheap, but given their designation, we cannot tell how deep the crease runs. In contrast, we already have a first glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which resembles the Galaxy Z Fold 4. There is no evident change since the crease is only 15% less noticeable than on the Z Fold 4, however according to the source, scrolling on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is somewhat better than on the Z Fold 4. We are receiving a water drop hinge, which makes the Fold 5 a flat folded tablet, and it delivers two of the most important changes to the Fold 5, thickness and weight. The Fold 5 is smaller than the Galaxy Samsung Fold 4, and it weighs around 254 grams as opposed to 263 grams on the Fold 4. Even if the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a redesigned water drop hinge, Samsung recently abandoned the concept of improving the durability requirements. The Z Fold 5 won't get an IP58 certification. Instead, Samsung will continue to employ the IPX8 grade for water resistance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.